Kotlin Desktop, Lesson 8, HTTP and APIs. We'll build a weather app using Ktor Client and a free API. Here's what we're building: a weather dashboard with city selection. Each city shows temperature, wind speed, and a weather code from the API. Loading indicators and error messages handle network states gracefully. Let's create the weather app project. Settings.gradle. Same plugin repositories as before. Generate the Gradle wrapper version 8.10. Four plugins: Kotlin, Serialization, Compose, and the Compose compiler. Ktor Client Dependencies, Core, CIO Engine, ContentNegotiation, and JSON Serialization. Create the source directory. Project setup done. First file, weathermodels.kt. Serializable data classes for the API response. Weather response holds latitude, longitude, and a nested current weather object. Current weather maps JSON fields like temperature _2 meters to Kotlin properties using serial name. Reviewing weather models. 2 data classes, about 18 lines. WeatherAPI.kt, the HTTP client and fetch function. HTTP client with CIO engine. Content negotiation handles JSON automatically. 3 cities with latitude and longitude. Fetch weather is a suspend function calling the Open-Meteo API. Reviewing weather API, client setup, city data, and 1 fetch function. App content is our main composable, city buttons, loading state, and a weather card. Four state variables: selected city, weather response, loading flag, and error message. Load weather sets loading to true, launches a coroutine, and wraps fetch weather in try catch. LaunchedEffect fetches the default city on startup. City buttons in a row. Selected gets filled, others outlined. A when block handles three states. Loading shows a spinner, error shows red text, success shows the card. Weather card displays temperature, wind speed, weather code, and the timestamp. Reviewing app content. 3 pages of composable code. Last file, main.kt, window setup and theme. Window is 900 by 600 pixels. Title, Weather App. Reviewing main. Clean and simple. Just a window with dark theme and app content. Four Kotlin files. Let's check the project tree. Clean compile. Build successful. Run Gradle run to launch the app. It fetches Tokyo's weather automatically. Click London. The loading spinner appears briefly, then the new data loads. New York next. Each city sends a fresh request to the Open-Meteo API. The refresh button refetches the current city's weather. Switching between cities is fast. The API responds in under a second. Five key takeaways from today's lesson. HttpClient. Configure Ktor with CIO engine and JSON content negotiation. Suspend functions. Network calls are suspend funds launched from coroutine scopes. Data classes @serializable and @serialName map JSON to Kotlin properties. Loading states. A when block handles loading, error, and success. Error handling. Try catch with user-friendly error messages. Subscribe for more Kotlin desktop tutorials. See you in Lesson 9.